Personal Finance for Beginners: How to Build Wealth with Low Income. What if I told you that you could go from having absolutely nothing to becoming a millionaire? Sounds impossible, right? But the truth is, countless self-made millionaires started with $0, just like you. Yes, even you can go from zero to millions with the right mindset and a solid plan. The difference between the poor and those people: they followed a proven path, and today I'm going to share that exact roadmap with you. If you stay with me until the end, you'll discover the key steps that wealthy people use to build and protect their money. Whether you're struggling financially or just looking for a way to grow your wealth, this guide will change your life. In this video, I'll show you 11 proven steps to build wealth, no matter where you're starting from. Let's get started. Step 1. Develop a wealth-building mindset. Building wealth starts with your mindset. You need to adopt a long-term perspective and focus on financial education. Read books, take courses, and learn from mentors who've already achieved financial success. Avoid instant gratification and unnecessary debt, as these can derail your progress. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. A wealth-building mindset is the foundation of your financial journey. For example, Howard Schultz grew up in a poor neighborhood but focused on education and business acumen. He eventually transformed Starbucks into a global brand, proving that anyone can achieve financial success with the right mindset. His story shows that wealth isn't about where you start, it's about where you're headed. Step 2. Create a budget and control expenses. Creating a budget is the first practical step to building wealth. Start by tracking your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Follow the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. Cut unnecessary expenses like subscriptions and impulse buys to free up more money for your financial goals. A budget gives you control over your finances and helps you make smarter spending decisions. Take Warren Buffett, for example. Despite being a billionaire, he still follows frugal habits and avoids lifestyle inflation. He lives in the same house he bought decades ago and drives a modest car. Buffett's disciplined approach to spending shows that controlling expenses is key to building and maintaining wealth. Step 3. Increase your income streams. To build wealth faster, you need to increase your income. Start by developing a high-income skill like coding, sales, or digital marketing. Negotiate your salary and seek opportunities for career growth. If possible, start a side hustle or small business to create additional income streams. The more money you earn, the more you can save and invest. Multiple income streams also provide financial security and reduce reliance on a single source of income. Elon Musk is a great example of this. He started multiple ventures, including Zip2, PayPal, Tesla, and SpaceX, to create diverse income streams. By constantly seeking new opportunities, Musk built a fortune and became one of the richest people in the world. His story proves that increasing your income is a powerful way to accelerate wealth building. By the way, if you're finding these tips helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. My goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers this year, and your support means the world to me. Every like, comment, and subscription brings us closer to that goal, so let's grow together. Now, let's get back to the video, because the next steps are just as important. Step 4. Save and build an emergency fund. Saving is the cornerstone of financial stability. Start by building an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Keep this money in a high-yield savings account so it grows over time. An emergency fund protects you from unexpected expenses like medical bills or job loss, ensuring you don't derail your financial progress. Avoid touching this fund for non-emergencies. It's your financial safety net. Dave Ramsey is a strong advocate for emergency funds. He teaches that having a financial cushion is the first step to achieving stability and building wealth. Ramsey's advice has helped millions of people take control of their finances and avoid debt. Step 5. Eliminate debt and use credit wisely. Debt can hold you back from building wealth, so it's important to eliminate it as quickly as possible. Start by prioritizing high-interest debt like credit cards and personal loans. Use the snowball or avalanche method to pay off your debts systematically. At the same time, build a strong credit score by paying bills on time and keeping credit utilization low. A good credit score opens doors to better financial opportunities, like lower interest rates on loans. Grant Cardone is a great example of using credit wisely. He avoided high-interest consumer debt and instead used leverage strategically to build a real estate empire. By managing debt effectively, Cardone turned his financial situation around and achieved massive success. Now, before we move on, here's something you might not know. The most successful people don't just save and invest. They also protect and grow their wealth in smart ways. In the next section, I'll reveal how you can use investments, passive income, and wealth protection strategies to take your finances to the next level. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. It could be the breakthrough you need. Step 6. Invest wisely for long-term growth. Investing is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth over time. Start by investing in low-cost index funds, ETFs, and real estate. These assets provide steady growth and are less risky than individual stocks. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks and Roth IRAs to maximize your returns. Reinvest your earnings and let compound interest work its magic. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Peter Lynch is a legendary investor who built wealth by investing in stocks with strong growth potential and holding them long-term. His approach shows that patience and smart investing can lead to incredible financial success. Step 7. Build multiple streams of passive income. Passive income is the key to financial freedom. It allows you to earn money without actively working for it. Start by exploring options like real estate rental income, dividend stocks, and online businesses. Digital products like ebooks or courses can also generate passive income. The more passive income streams you have, the more secure your financial future will be. Robert Kiyosaki is a vivid example of this. He built wealth through passive income sources like real estate and book royalties. Kiyosaki's story proves that passive income can provide financial freedom and long-term security. Step 8. Live below your means. Living below your means is crucial for building and maintaining wealth. Avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows, and prioritize needs over wants. Save the difference and invest it wisely. Living frugally doesn't mean depriving yourself. It means making smart choices that align with your long-term goals. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson is a great example. Despite earning millions, he maintains disciplined spending habits and focuses on long-term wealth rather than short-term luxuries. His disciplined approach has helped him build a net worth of hundreds of millions. Step 9. Protect your wealth. Protecting your wealth is just as important as building it. Get insurance for health, life, and disability to safeguard against unexpected events. Create a will and estate plan to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Stay updated on tax strategies to minimize liabilities and keep more of your money. Jeff Bezos perfectly illustrates wealth protection. He structured his finances and business to optimize taxes and protect his wealth. Bezos's approach shows that protecting your wealth is a key part of financial success. Step 10. Scale and diversify your investments. To grow your wealth exponentially, you need to scale and diversify your investments. Invest in businesses and assets that appreciate over time, like stocks, real estate, and startups. Diversification reduces risk and ensures that your wealth continues to grow, even if one investment underperforms. Mark Cuban serves as a powerful example. He diversified his investments from tech to sports and media, scaling his net worth to billions. Cuban's story shows that scaling and diversifying your investments can lead to massive financial success. Step 11. Give back and leave a legacy. True wealth isn't just about money, it's about making a positive impact. Donate to charities and causes you believe in, and mentor others on financial literacy. Build generational wealth to provide for your family and leave a lasting legacy. Giving back not only helps others, but also brings fulfillment and purpose to your life. Jimmy Carter is a great example of this. Despite being a former U.S. president, he chose a humble lifestyle and focused on humanitarian work. Through the Carter Center, he has made a lasting impact on global health and affordable housing. Now that you know the 11 steps to build wealth, Which one will you start with today? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips. My goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers this year, and your support means the world to me. Remember, wealth building is a journey. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial future transform. See you in the next video.